Imagine this. You're headed on a week-long trip, and you only have a single carry-on bag. Crazy, right? But here's the shocking part. 90% of travelers overpack. Most people stuff their bags with clothes they never wear and end up paying extra fees for checked luggage. According to a study by Statista, the average checked bag fee is now $30. That's money you could spend on something way more fun, like a great meal or a cool souvenir. Packing for a week in a carry-on isn't just possible, it's smarter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fit everything you need in a bag that fits in the overhead compartment. We'll cover packing hacks, must-have tech gear, and clever ways to make your toiletries take up zero space. Trust me, by the end, you'll be packing like a pro and breezing through TSA with ease. Stick around, because I'll also reveal a few secret tricks that'll make your travel so much smoother. Ready to pack smarter? Let's dive in. Chapter 2. Mind-blowing packing hacks. The first step in packing light is to understand how to use every inch of space efficiently. One of the best packing hacks is rolling your clothes instead of folding them. According to research by the Journal of Consumer Research, rolling clothes reduces wrinkles and maximizes space. Try this for your t-shirts, pants, and even sweaters. You'd be surprised at how much room you can save. Another must-try is using packing cubes. These clever little organizers help you group similar items, so you're not digging through your bag for that one pair of socks. Next, try vacuum seal bags for bulkier items like jackets or blankets. These bags can compress your clothes by up to 50%, making more room for other essentials. Keep in mind, though, that TSA might not love seeing a vacuum-sealed bag when you go through security, so use them for non-liquid items. Speaking of liquids, did you know that liquid containers over 3.4 ounces are not allowed in carry-ons? So, always opt for travel-sized versions or solid alternatives like solid deodorant or shampoo bars. The real key to mastering carry-on packing is knowing what not to pack. Overpacking is a trap many travelers fall into. The average person only wears about 20% of the clothes they pack for a trip, according to a study by Travel Plus Leisure. So, aim for versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down. Stick to neutral colors and mix and match options like a pair of jeans that can be worn with any top. Chapter 3. The art of outfits in a bag. Creating outfits that can take you from a day of sightseeing to a night out doesn't have to be complicated. The key is to focus on versatility. Instead of packing one outfit for each day, pack a few core items that can do double duty. Think a simple black dress that works as a beach cover-up by day and a dinner outfit by night. Or a pair of dark jeans that can be dressed up with a blazer or dressed down with a t-shirt. To save more space, layer your clothes. Layering not only helps you adjust to different temperatures but also keeps your packing minimal. For example, a cardigan can work as a light jacket in warmer places and as an extra layer when it gets chilly. You don't need 7 different jackets for a 7-day trip, just one that's lightweight, packable, and can be worn over multiple outfits. Footwear is another area where packing light becomes a balancing act. Pack multi-purpose shoes. A pair of comfortable sneakers that work for walking tours can also be worn for casual evenings out. In fact, a survey by Shoe Hero found that 35% of travelers prefer packing just one pair of shoes for their entire trip. If you're heading to a fancy dinner or special event, choose a pair of shoes that can fit in your carry-on without taking up too much space. Accessories also play a role in making outfits look different without adding to the bulk. A scarf or statement necklace can completely transform an outfit without adding much weight. Plus, accessories like hats or sunglasses take up almost no space at all. Chapter 4. TSA, your new best friend. Navigating TSA can be a headache, but once you understand the rules, you'll breeze through security like a pro. First, remember the 3-1-1 rule. You can only bring liquids in containers of 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less, and all of them must fit in a single, clear, quart-sized bag. Many travelers don't realize that liquids in solid form, like solid perfume or deodorant, don't count as liquids at all and can save you some space. When it comes to electronics, TSA allows you to bring gadgets in your carry-on, but they need to be easily accessible. Make sure your laptop or tablet is in an easily removable compartment when going through security. According to TSA.gov, Most delays happen when travelers forget to pull out electronics. To avoid the hassle, keep a dedicated compartment for your devices. What about toiletries? The TSA pre-check program is a game changer for many travelers, allowing you to keep your shoes on and liquids in your bag. According to TSA.gov, over 12 million people enrolled in pre-check last year, making it easier and quicker for frequent flyers. But even if you're not enrolled, you can still streamline your packing by choosing TSA-friendly travel-size toiletries. Pack your items strategically by placing your liquids and electronics at the top of your bag. This way, you won't be scrambling to find them during the security check. And remember, while TSA may sometimes enforce rules more strictly, they also offer great tips for avoiding delays. For instance, avoid wearing clothing with excessive metal, like belts or jewelry, to help move things along quicker. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You won't want to miss the rest of this video, where I'll show you how to travel smart and light. Chapter 5. Tech gear without the tech overload. When you're packing light, it's easy to overdo it on tech gadgets. But here's the truth. You don't need to carry every device you own. Focus on multi-use tech that keeps you connected without weighing you down. A portable charger is a must-have, especially considering that nearly 60% of travelers report running out of battery during long flights, according to a survey by Travel Pulse. Choose a power bank with enough capacity to charge your phone multiple times, ideally around 10,000 mAh. Also, consider a universal adapter for international travel. Rather than packing separate adapters for every country you visit, invest in a compact one that works globally. According to Nomadic Matt, this little gadget can save up to 5 pounds of extra gear in your carry-on. Next, think about smart devices that serve more than one purpose. A tablet can replace a laptop, an e-reader, and even your streaming device for entertainment. Combine this with a small Bluetooth keyboard, and you've got an ultra-lightweight workstation that can handle all your needs. This is especially helpful when you want to check emails or write while on the go, without adding bulk to your bag. When it comes to headphones, opt for noise-canceling, foldable headphones that take up minimal space. The extra peace and quiet they provide on long flights is a lifesaver. According to a study by Consumer Reports, travelers with noise-canceling headphones report a 30% reduction in travel stress. Also, if you're traveling for work, try a smartphone tripod to enhance your video calls without taking up much room. This simple tool can drastically improve your video quality and make virtual meetings more professional. Finally, don't forget the charging cables. One of the biggest packing mistakes is bringing too many. Instead, pack a multi-cable that works for all your devices. This way, you won't need separate cords for your phone, tablet, and laptop. Compact, all-in-one chargers are a game-changer for carry-on travelers. Chapter 6. Miniature marvels. Toiletries that do it all. When it comes to toiletries, less is definitely more. If you're trying to pack everything into a carry-on, solid toiletries are your best friend. Solid shampoo bars, solid body wash, and even solid deodorants can save you space and avoid the hassle of liquid restrictions. The average traveler carries about 2 pounds of toiletries on each trip, but with these solid alternatives, you can cut that weight in half. Another essential strategy is to choose multi-purpose toiletries. For example, a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner doesn't just save space, it also cuts down on the number of bottles you need. The same goes for moisturizing sunscreen that works as a lotion and sun protection in one. Refillable travel containers are a lifesaver too. Instead of packing full-sized bottles, decant your favorite products into smaller, TSA-approved bottles. Companies like GoTube create durable, squeezable containers that are both easy to pack and leak-proof. Studies by National Geographic show that travelers who use refillable containers reduce waste by up to 80% during their trips. Let's not forget about toothpaste tablets. These compact alternatives to traditional toothpaste tubes are not only TSA approved but also incredibly space efficient. They're a favorite among frequent flyers who prefer a quick, mess-free solution. And they come in various flavors, so you won't miss your regular paste. Packing light doesn't mean sacrificing hygiene or comfort. You can still bring all the essentials, but the key is thinking small and multifunctional. By opting for minimalist toiletry kits, you'll keep your carry-on light while still having everything you need to feel fresh and ready to go. Lastly, think ahead about your skincare routine. Instead of multiple serums, lotions, and creams, opt for a multifunctional moisturizer that hydrates, protects, and even tones. By simplifying your skincare, you'll have more space for other essentials like clothes and tech gadgets. Congratulations, you now have the ultimate strategy for packing a carry-on for a week. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks. You'll be traveling light, smart, and stress-free in no time.